Well, in the beginning, God created the trees. God created the birds. And God created the snake. And God created the pig. And the lion. And the horse. And it was all good. So, for a long time, they were talking to each other, busy playing with each other in the garden, and having fun. The pig played with the lion, the snake played with the bird. Every animal had a good time in the garden. So one day, God decided to create Adam and Eve. They were the first man and woman to live in the garden. Adam and Eve have a good time living in the garden. They can eat any fruits, any vegetables they want in the garden. They have a great life living in the garden. One day, Eve was talking to the small snake. Eve told the snake, God told her
that if you eat from the tree of knowledge, in that day you shall surely die.
The snake told her that wasn't true. She took the fruit and ate it, so she decided to give it to Adam. Adam and Eve ate the fruit, but they didn't die. But God got mad at them and chased them out of the garden. So they ran. And ran. And ran. For a very, very long time. But when they were out of the garden, they realized they had to take care of the animals. They were very, very hard to take care of all the animals. to feed theirself. Adam and Eve lived to be really old and have a lot of children. The end. Filmed by Charles and Dita. Peace, kid.